Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Sina Shadian, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin's price, and I know you all are so excited about this. And also the thing that I currently see on daily time frame and weekly and also monthly is quite interesting. So watch this to the end and see what you can expect from the market to what to happen in the next weeks or days. So on daily time frame, I can see a spike as the first move. Then market entered into a channel, which is the second phase of the market, and we know that every channels, most of the time, for 80% of the time, it finishes or they end at the third touch. If you see, market touches for the third time and then rallies back down, and now the trend line is broken. So what should you expect at this moment? Market is either consolidating between these two levels, because this is the low of the previous low, this is the previous higher low, and right now market has get out of this channel and it is going to consolidate between it either going to consolidate between these two levels, or it is going to come back. And also it is possible for the price to touch the bottom of this channel. It is likely to touch the high or come back down to this place. Nobody knows. But the thing that I currently see is in weekly time frame that I'm going to show you in a couple of minutes later is quite interesting. Let me just talk a little about this series of bearish candles. I see a lot of momentum here for bearish for the bear case. Why? Because when either sellers or buyers can create a series of candles in their expectations direction, it means that they are highly strong. And I can call this as the first leg here. If this is the first leg, they can correct an ABC pattern, and also next leg is absolutely possible for the market. So the first leg and a little correction in a few, maybe for this week, and then more correction downside, or either market just can create another second leg in this trading range area. But all in all, right now the thing is that I see market falling down. I think it is quite possible, so you should be ready for it, because you don't want to actually be shocked by whatever market does, right? So this is the daily time frame analysis, and let me just show you why I think daily time frame is quite interesting here. So the weekly time frame tells me something else. The scenario is absolutely different, and they in weekly time frame, in fact, I can see a divergent triangle. After market rallies upside, then enters into a trading range, but this trading range is quite unusual, and it is a little different from what normal trading ranges we can expect right this area. Okay, the thing is that when market creates higher highs in a trading range and also higher lows, it's a sign of absolute indecision in the market. And also most of the time, I can say 90% of time, these divergent triangles are reversal patterns, unfortunately. Only if you are a little impatient about Bitcoin's higher prices. But for those who want to just add to their positions and buy more Bitcoins, it's a good news. And I think if Bitcoin goes lower, it's an amazing opportunity to buy and accumulate more Bitcoins into your wallets. All right. So for Bitcoin as a coin that I always try to invest in, I see this as an opportunity, not just necessarily a warning. But for those who are only day traders, it might not be a good news. So this is about the weekly time frame, and also something else that I have always talked about the weekly. If I draw a line, draw an area between the previous high to this current low, you can see an actual gap between this high and this low. And this tells me that I also have created another video analysis on this for this, and you can see I have released it previous week. So in playlist, and go to the playlist into the channel, and you can see the previous week's video. Still, this gap is in work. It means bulls are so strong. That's why they have been able to create this series of bullish candles after breaking above this. But the thing is that whenever they try to push for higher prices, market rejects back down, and that's the only thing that makes me a little worried. So I thought maybe creating another video to ask you whether this is an opportunity or a warning might not be a bad idea. And if you see this candle is closing below or in the middle of the candle, the body, and it has been shadowed downside, and right now it is creating a bearish candle here. So that's a sign of weakness, and we are in a trading range just like here, but this trading range is different, and I think it is possible for Bitcoin to come back down. If it comes back down, it's an amazing opportunity to buy more. So also about the monthly time frame, something I think you need to see here is quite also interesting. Market, fortunately, in monthly time frame has broken to this top with this beautiful rally upside. It's a strong breakout with each candle closing near its high, and also more volume as candles go forward. And right now market has made a pullback, goes back up. But if I zoom in a little, you see this candle has rejected this high, and this high has rejected this candle, and the price has come back down, closing on the 2/3 of the body of the candle. And I think for maybe 2 or 3 couple of months still we can expect for lower prices. Maybe Bitcoin is going to create another low here, and then start its move with a double bottom. Okay, so this is the thing I see on Bitcoin's charts on daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. And I think this year is a quite interesting year for those who want to invest in Bitcoin, and they can expect still for higher prices. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Just please like this video and subscribe, and wait for the other videos for market outlook that I'm going to release every day on XAUUSD and daily and EURUSD, which are my favorite charts because I trade these charts every day, and also I release my trades with you, all positions, every day on my short videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. See you soon.